Hey friends, Dustin Sexson here, your local realtor in the Austin area. And if you're renting or thinking about investing in Pflugerville, Austin, or even out in Elgin, this quick rental update is for you. Let's break down where rent prices are heading, what's sitting on the market, and where renters are actually signing leases this summer. Let's kick it off in Pflugerville. The median rent in July was $2,225, which was down 1.1% from last year. Now, renters are getting a good deal. An average lease size is 2,037 square feet, and only that comes out to about $1.16 per square foot. Now, 145 leases were signed, and homes are sitting about 28 days on the market, up slightly from last year. So what does that mean? Well, in Pflugerville, it's holding pretty steady. Less leasing activity, slightly lower prices, and homes are sitting just a bit longer. If you've got a rental property, it's still performing, but maybe not flying off the shelf. And now let's slide over to Elgin. It's a small town, but a big shift. The median lease is about $1,850. That's down 7.3% from last year, but the number of leases jumped by over 57% year over year. And homes are leasing in about 33 days, and renters are getting over 1,400 square feet for about $1.27 per square foot. Well, what's the story here? Well, Elgin's heating up in popularity, but landlords are adjusting prices to meet demand. More people are moving there for the space, but they're not willing to overpay. This might be your window to grab something at a great deal. Now, let's go on and zoom over to Austin, the one I know everyone really wants to know about. And the median lease here is $2,300, and that's down 2.1% year over year. Now, 1,655 leases were signed, which is a big drop from last year as well. That's down 11.1%. And the price per square foot is $1.83, and homes are leasing about 27 days on average. What does that mean exactly? Like translation, please? Well, Austin rentals are cooling just a little, but they're still pricey. More options are sitting, and renters are slower to pull the trigger. It's a great time for renters to negotiate and for investors to stay sharp. So let's wrap it all up for a brief bite size for everybody. Rent prices are slightly down in all three markets. Renters have more options and more time to decide. If you're an investor, pay special attention to the suburbs, especially Elgin, Pflugerville, even up into Hutto. There's more space, lower costs, and growing demand for people wanting to move to those areas. If you're a renter, you've got a little more power this summer, more inventory to choose from, and things are sitting a little bit longer than normal, giving you more time to make sure the place fits your needs. If you're thinking of buying a rental, or maybe you're tired of renting and want to explore homeownership, shoot me an email. Happy to help break it all down and run the numbers for you. Let's find you a spot that makes sense, whether it's Austin, the burbs, or somewhere in between.